Hello?
Hello?
Oh, my Lord.
Hey, Lisa.
Paula, I cannot believe it. I'm trying not to cry.
Oh, don't cry, honey. Don't cry. I wish I could see your face.
Well, I'm trying to turn it. I think you can if you FaceTime. Can't you FaceTime?
Well, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I just see me. I just see me.
No,
Wait.
'cause I got my
All right, I'm going to flip. I still just see me. I see you. Look, I see her.
Look at her.
Look at you. Huh?
Well, who are you speaking with?
Right here, look at these two waiting to see Paula Deen.
Who is it?
You see him? You see him? Did you see my boys?
Yeah, I saw one of them. I didn't get to see the other one.
Oh, wait, let me show you both of them. Spencer, come on over here. It's Paula.
Okay, so that's Sam.
No, that's Spencer.
Oh, Spencer.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's the baby boy, and that's favorite son, Drew.
All right, the tallest one is the youngest one.
Yes, he's my baby.
Well, let me see those boys again. They're good looking, Lisa.
I knew she would want to see y'all. Look. Aren't they
Okay.
cute?
Yes, all right, now the tall one. Okay. And you the baby.
He's the baby. God
What?
made them good, didn't they?
Yes, you done good, honey. So how old are they now, Lisa?
I know you miss your boys. Well, the oldest one is 26, and
What?
the youngest one is 21.
Oh, okay. So, dadgum, we're getting old, aren't we?
Listen, I'm thankful to be here, ain't you?
Oh. You
Can you
ain't
see me
just
now?
you ain't just whistling Dixie. Yes, I can see you. What you got on that plate?
Girl, this is for you. I'm gonna eat it for you and describe it virtually.
You know, now you're what I call a true friend. You are gonna eat that for me.
So many things. Now I'm gonna call you a true friend, but usually I just like have my spatula out and I'll hold it up and go, "Whoa, it's Paula," or whatever.
Oh, Lisa, you're so cute. So let me tell everybody how we met.
All right.
Oh.
I'm gonna put my camera up.
No, keep eating. I love. I'm gonna lick the screen though in a second. I just know I am.
Okay.
So Lisa, I was in Myrtle Beach for a book signing, and Lisa and her family showed up for the book signing, and we just hit it off, right off the bat. And I could tell we would truly be soul sisters. If we had an opportunity to be around each other very much, we'd be on the same planet.
Well, you can stay here when you come here for furniture market after the COVID Rona goes away.
How are you coping?
I'm coping great.
Good.
Okay, today I am because you called. That's fine.
All right, but are you not seeing anybody?
Well, my boys are here because one's home from college,
Uh-huh.
and the other one is working for an agriculture company, but he's back home because he finished his master's degree in agriculture, and so he's living here.
That's your favorite son, right?
That's the favorite son, yeah.
You got guts, girl.
I love to hear you laugh.
Well, thank you. All right, so they're going to work. Are they around anybody that you would be nervous about them being around and then coming back into your house?
No, because baby boy is recovering from knee surgery.
Uh-huh.
He plays football
Uh-huh. At where?
at Wake Forest University.
Oh, okay.
And so he's been real school about that. And then with Drew, the favorite son, he works in agriculture where they go in and out of greenhouses all the time.
Uh-huh.
So
Look at that girl eating that stuff.
It's not like the old kind of farm like back in
Uh-huh.
Albany, Georgia. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's high tech, so they have lab coats and they take the
Yeah.
temperature and all
Yeah.
that.
Well, that's good. Well, we have been in quarantine maybe 6 weeks now, y'all. Has it been 6 weeks?
Well, I love your cracker salad demo.
Oh, honey, isn't that did you try it?
No, because mine are too picky. They don't eat that stuff.
They don't eat a saltine cracker?
Yeah, but they won't eat tomatoes. Not out of the garden.
Well, don't put tomatoes in it. What do they like?
They don't like mayonnaise. They don't like
Well,
tomatoes.
forget
and
it.
If there's anything green on it, they say, "What's this green stuff?"
Well, forget
They
it.
like this though.
Oh, I bet. All right, now, so you got a pound cake with strawberries and whipped cream, and then is that a chocolate fudge pie?
It is my chocolate chess pie that is Farmer
Okay.
Andy's chocolate chess pie
Uh-huh.
that he won second place at the Baptist Church at a men's cook-off.
No.
And it is bomb.com.
Well, listen, put that up on your website. I'd love to make it.
It's there. Listen, now that we're friends, I'll just send it to you.
Okay, great. Well, listen, after this pandemic is over, come here and let's cook together in the kitchen. We'll shoot a little show and
Oh my gosh.
spend some time with our friends out there.
I would love to. And listen, your hair looks good.
This is a hat, honey.
I'm talking about the ones I've seen in the video. It looks
Oh.
good, longer, and the color looks good. See, look.
Uh-huh.
I
Well-
can color my hair.
Well, thank you. You know what? I started laughing the other day, and I was telling Eddie and Teresa, you know, when this thing is over, all of us women are going to be walking around with half dyed, half colored hair, half gray hair, and jagged claw-like nails, and heaven forbid what our toenails are going to look like. They're going to be bad.
Here's the best thing about that. God don't care about hair. It's just hair.
Mm-mm.
And we can cut it or we can cover it. Or
Yeah.
we can put purple shampoo on it.
Oh, that's what I do. Oh, I see a picture of us back there.
Oh, listen, this is like the talk of my blog. Everybody wants to know who's in that picture. And I do a lot of my vlogs from here. I do my devotion from here.
Oh,
And so even when we're talking about God and the Bible and stuff, there's people on my blog that'll go, "Hey, who is that in that picture?" And I'm like, "That's Miss Paula." They're like, "Paula, Deen." And I'm like, "Yeah."
So how could I get in to see your devotion? Because, you know, right now, probably a lot of us need that.
We do. It's a really good sisterhood and motherhood because now there's men on there.
Really?
Yeah, because I used to always talk to the ladies, you know, like, you know how it is, girls and all
Yeah,
that. And now
yeah.
there's men too. So
Yeah.
I'll tell Eddie how to do it. It is not hard, I promise.
Okay. I would.
If I can do it, anybody can do it.
I would love to come in and watch. Is it where we can talk back and forth, or we just watch you?
No, I do all the devotions live as long as I have internet connection. Because something about when Baby Boy is doing live classes online and his favorite son's doing stuff on his, I can't be live or something. I don't understand.
Listen, I don't understand any of that. See, if it wasn't for that man right there and that woman right there, I'd be up the creek.
Me too. When mine are home, they don't mind helping me, but I try not to bother them if they're in class, of course, or if they're you know, on a business call. No 26-year-old boy wants you to come, no 26-year-old man wants you to come in while he's talking to a person at work and go, "Hey, son, can you do such and such?" You know.
I've done it. I've done it. Sonny boy, where's so-and-so? Well, Lisa, it's probably been a couple of years since we've seen each other, and I have loved catching up. Love catching up with you.
Listen, I'll make myself available anytime you want to talk. You just hit me up.
You are precious. Just make sure that I can come in and share the devotion with you.
Okay,
because
Eddie,
a lot of
I
my
got his
friends.
number now, Eddie.
You got his number.
If this is his number, I will send him a link.
Okay.
So you'll know how to do it.
Okay. Well, listen, I love you. And
I love you, and I'm gonna make this for you when you come now.
Okay. I want some of that chest bomb pie.
I want some cracker salad.
some. Well, you take care, honey. Best wishes and love. Y'all stay safe. It's great to see you too.
You too. Thank you so much. You made my whole week.
Oh, honey, thank you.
We'll see ya.
Okay.